Wait a minute. What? Hi there. Welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. Today I thought we could do rock art. I thought we could make some smooth worry stones. These will be great for my daughter to take to school to help her concentrate. Here's what you're going to need. Some rocks that will easily fit inside your hand. Oh, Corgi Dog's getting dirty. Some acrylic paint, acrylic markers, brushes, and some Modge Podge. Make sure it says Super Gloss. Are you ready? Let's paint some rocks. First step is to add your base coat. I like to use black because you only need one coat. And any way I can save time while crafting is always a bonus. Remember, craft time is messy time, as you can tell from my backdrop. While you're waiting for the base coat to dry, go ahead and get out your sketchbook and draw a few simple ideas. Try a variety of things: faces, animals, food, or even some inspirational sayings. Now it's time to grab your acrylic markers and shake, 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 shake. Trust me, shake, 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 shake. Now start painting, or as Mariah Elizabeth would say, start drainting. This is another reason why I like to use a black base coat. The colors just really pop. I love how it looks at the end. Once the first layer of acrylic marker has dried, go ahead and add a second layer. Now I know most craft people love their acrylic markers, especially Posca, but I really have to say I am not 100% convinced with these markers, especially considering how expensive they are. Mine just seem to always get dry and rub away the first layer. It's extremely frustrating. One solution that I've tried is to paint on a thin layer of varnish in between layers of acrylic marker. Most of the times it works. Even with these small problems, I'll admit I love my acrylic markers. They are so fun and so easy. Then I realized that my white Posca pen was dry and just went back to good old-fashioned acrylic paint and a paintbrush. At this point, I start to get a little frustrated. It's not going as easily as I had planned, but that's okay. I'm going to do it, and it's going to turn out fabulous. We're going to add a few details, and then we're going to change our mind about those details and paint over them and add new details, and that's okay. That's what's great about acrylic markers. You make a mistake, you can paint over it and start over again. I do that a lot. Just keep creating, keep going. This is another advantage of having a black base coat. If you make a mistake, it's so easy to cover it up with one coat. Make sure to give your designs plenty of time to dry. Then it's time to grab your Modge Podge. Make sure to read the Hold on. No, well, I don't parley français. Hold on, wait a second. Make sure to read your instructions. Now go ahead and put on a thick layer of Modge Podge. Thick and shiny. Yep, that's pretty messy. The great thing about acrylic paint, acrylic markers, and Modge Podge is they wash up easily with soap and water. And there you go. Wait a minute. What? You've gotta be kidding me. The paint's all smudged. This one too. Oh man. Well, you know what I say. Dab, 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 and no one will ever know. I have had problems in the past with Modge Podge smearing my acrylic paint. To solve this, I try to put a layer of varnish on top, then Modge Podge. I forgot to do that this time. That's my bad. Now you need to wait 24 hours in between each layer. Yeah, that's what I said. 24 hours. I apologize. These are supposed to be quick and easy crafts. This one, not so much. So after many, many layers of Modge Podge, ta-da! We have our beautiful, shiny, sleek, smooth worry stones. The wait was worth it. They are really, really smooth. They feel great. I really like the way they turned out. So colorful and shiny. And those smudges, let's pretend they never happened as I shake my fist in anger deep inside. So these are the 4 stones that I coated with Modge Podge Extra Glossy. But I couldn't stop thinking about those paint streaks, so I painted 2 more stones and coated them with acrylic varnish. Then added Modge Podge Super Glossy. No streaks and still super shiny and smooth. I wanted to try one more thing, Modge Podge Dimensional Paint. It was a little easier and a little cleaner. Oh, so shiny and smooth. So here we have it. How many different stones did I do? 4, 6, 7, oop, that's not how you count. 4, 5, 6, 7 different stones in 3 different ways. They're all beautiful. They're all shiny, they're all smooth, and they're all awesome. I painted them for my daughter. Let's see how she likes them. Hey, hun.
Yeah.
Come here. Which one of these do you like best?
This is pretty hard, but I will have to say I like the mandolin, the egg, and the leaf.
Which one do you think you'll take to school?
I'd probably bring the egg. Ooh, that's smooth. I could do this for so long. I could do this forever.
I hope you enjoyed this fun rock art. Check me out on social media. Don't forget to subscribe so the craft gods will hear your prayers. Like this video, share with family and friends, and as always, don't forget to comment below. Keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!